Alrighty then, this morning we're going to unbox something Santa got me for Christmas. The Oregon CS1500 electric chainsaw. This one was ordered through Home Depot. It's mostly ready to go. And what's in the box is there's bar and chain oil. That's interesting. It seems kind of thin compared to other bar and chain oil, but one of the first things you're supposed to do with this thing is, I believe, put the oil in it and run it for a minute. So, what you're supposed to do is loosen the side cover, release knob slightly, but do not remove the side cover. So you're supposed to loosen the side cover release knob. Oh, yeah, that certainly worked. Okay, so you're supposed to put the side cover back on. Just lightly turn that to tighten it. This is supposed to be filled with the bar and chain oil. Then you're supposed to run this for 2 minutes and then take this off and check that oil's coming out of it. Okay, that was only 30 seconds. But oil is definitely coming out. So the way to tension this chain is you loosen this and then you adjust this, and as you adjust it, it will draw the blade up, and you want it to just touch, and then you tighten this down, and there should be just a slight amount of tension. And that's basically it. This is the sharpener, which I'm not going to use because this doesn't need to be sharpened. It's already done. You don't use the sharpener with regular blades. If you put a regular blade on this, you can't use it. It only works with a specific type of blade. And well, that's it, except for maybe I'll try and find a log to cut. Be right back. Alright. That went through that like butter. Later.